Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Cricket West Indies President Ricky Skerrit says coach Phil Simmons' job is under no threat following calls by CWI Director Conde Riley for him to be sacked after he left the team's bubble to attend his father-in-law's funeral on Friday. More from Renardo Brown.
Barbados Cricket Association President Conde Riley, in an email to CWI President Ricky Skerrit, asked for the immediate removal of head coach Phil Simmons after news circulated that he had left the biosecure venue to attend a funeral. Riley said he had been bombarded with calls from concerned parents and members of the BCA and says the behavior is inconsiderate and reckless. But Skerrit, who reappointed Simmons, reiterated that the coach advised them of his engagement well in advance and that proper protocols were followed to have him reintegrated. Skerrit says the former batsman has nothing to worry about.
Phil Simmons still has the full backing of CWI behind him, no matter what has been said. And when all is said and done, Phil's job is not in any way threatened by that said letter.
Simmons, who prides himself as a family man, is unperturbed by what is thrown at him, seeing he had to support his 3 kids and wife.
If somebody wants to use that and try and use that against me, well, all well and good to them. If that is to break up the camp and to change our focus, that hasn't worked because our focus is still on the series that we've come here to play and how we prepare for that.
President Skerrit conceded that the Trinidadian was within his rights to leave based on CWI's policy.
It is also a well-established policy for CWI players and team officials while on tour to be given permission for compassionate leave as and when needed. The matter of Coach Simmons exiting and returning to Old Trafford should therefore have never been controversial in any way.
The 57-year-old Simmons has already put the issue behind him and is just a matter of making the right calls from now on.
There's no looking at my job. I never had that in mind. This was an occasion where I had to do what is right for my family, just as I would do what is right for Cricket West Indies for the rest of the series.
The West Indies will now travel to Southampton for next Wednesday's first test of 3, with Simmons returning negative results. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.